Alright, BSCI 3450, Structures 3. I'm Cliff Myers, Mark Ballard, Daniel Hoffman. This is our concrete project.
I'm going to go over the finish that we used first here. We used some shrink and seal window kit kind of plastic to put over our OSB, or not OSB, but our MDF down here. And we wrapped that over there so we could get a really smooth finish. It turned out real well. It's really shiny and smooth. And we also, for the side here, we used a piece of quarter round to put a cove mold in our concrete right here on the edge. Turned out pretty well. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with the project, and I'm going to let Mark talk about our formwork.
All right, the formwork, for our base of the formwork, we used MDF and 2x4s for the sides and a piece of 3/16 oak backing for a book that you would normally use for a bookcase. Got our hole in the center. We used a 5-gallon bucket for our block out for the sink insertion. Then we used the 1-inch couplings, PVC couplings for the faucet blockouts. And then for the base, we just used regular 4x4s and just cut them to length. And we used a Craig jig to drill pocket holes, put pocket screws in there to help hold it together a little bit better. And then on the underside of the concrete, we have 2 strips of wood embedded in the concrete with reinforcing steel going through it to allow us to screw the base to the tabletop itself. Now Cliff's going to talk about just give the overview of the project.
Overall, our project turned out pretty good. We were happy with everything. The only thing we wish that we would have done different was we wish we would have put the shrink wrap around the edges and stuff. You can see where we didn't shrink wrap this, so it didn't turn out as smooth. We did sand it down, but overall we were pleased with the project. We poured on a day that was a good temperature, and we also got this bowl. We picked this up at World Market, and we screwed a drain down into it, and so it's ready to go on a back deck. Overall, our project turned out great.